Lotus Biscoff Milk Cake recipe, a decadent dessert you must try. Hey there, dessert lovers! If you are a fan of creamy, indulgent, and utterly delicious desserts, then this Lotus Biscoff Milk Cake is for you. Imagine a soft, spongy cake soaked in a rich, aromatic milk mixture, topped with a luscious whipped cream infused with Lotus Biscoff spread, and garnished with crunchy biscuit crumbs. It's the perfect balance of flavors and textures in every bite. This recipe is easy to follow and doesn't require any fancy baking skills. So let's get started. Ingredients you will need: Madeira cake, sliced, 397 milliliters sweetened condensed milk, 410 milliliters evaporated milk, 235 milliliters whole milk, 1 bay leaf, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 green cardamom pods, 2 to 3 tablespoons Lotus Biscoff spread, 600 milliliters double cream, a 1/4 cup powdered sugar, crushed Lotus Biscoff biscuits for decoration. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Prepare the milk mixture. Start by preparing the star of this dessert, the milk soak. In a pan, add sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and whole milk. Drop in the bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and cardamom pods for a warm, spiced aroma. Let it simmer gently on low heat for about 10 minutes. This step infuses the milk with a depth of flavor, making the final dish even more irresistible. Once done, remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. Step 2. Prepare the cake base. Take your sliced Madeira cake and arrange it neatly in a cake pan. You can use any tray or dish with slightly raised edges to prevent the milk mixture from overflowing. Using a fork or skewer, poke small holes throughout the cake. This step is crucial as it allows the cake to absorb the milk mixture properly, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Step 3. Make the Biscoff whipped cream in a mixing bowl. Add double cream, Lotus Biscoff spread, and powdered sugar. Using an electric mixer, whisk the mixture until it reaches a smooth and thick consistency. This whipped cream will be the perfect topping, adding a creamy and slightly caramelized flavor to the dessert. Step 4. Soak the cake. Gradually pour the infused milk mixture over the prepared cake, making sure to cover every part evenly. Allow the cake to soak for a few minutes so that it fully absorbs the milk. The combination of the warm spices and creamy milk will give the cake an ultra-moist texture that melts in your mouth. Step 5. Assemble and decorate. Now it's time for the final touch. Spread the whipped cream evenly over the soaked cake, covering it completely. Use a spatula to smooth it out for a clean, professional look. Sprinkle crushed Lotus Biscoff biscuits on top for added crunch and texture. If you want to take it a step further, add whole Lotus biscuits on each serving for an elegant presentation. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Slice the cake into portions and serve it chilled with a drizzle of the reserved milk mixture on the side. Each bite is a delightful fusion of soft, creamy, and crunchy textures that will have you coming back for more. Why you'll love this recipe? Easy to make, no baking skills required, just a few simple steps. Rich and creamy, the combination of the milk soak and whipped cream creates an ultra-decadent texture. Perfectly spiced, the infusion of cinnamon, bay leaf, and cardamom adds a warm, aromatic depth. Biscoff lover's dream. The caramelized, spiced flavor of Biscoff takes this dessert to the next level. Tips for the best Lotus Biscoff milk cake. Use a sturdy cake like Madeira cake to ensure it holds its shape when soaked. Chill the cake for at least an hour before serving to enhance the flavors. Adjust the amount of Biscoff spread to suit your taste preference. This Lotus Biscoff milk cake is the ultimate treat for special occasions or simply when you crave something sweet and indulgent. It's easy, flavorful, and sure to impress anyone who takes a bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious dessert ideas. Let us know in the comments if you tried this recipe and how it turned out. Happy cooking!